was it already 8, bruh? Come on. Nope. Nope. We're not going on no fucking toll road, bruh. Hell nah. Let's see if this car wants to play. Let's see if he wants to play, bro. A Genesis? Nah, I don't think you want to play, bro. Come on. Come on. Yes, sir. He goes, and we got a straightaway, bruh. Woohoo! Here we go. Yeah! Come on, give me that. Stop playing with me, boy. Give me that shit, boy. Woo! That was the fastest I've gone in a minute, bro. I wanted to hit 160, but you know, I was coming up hot. I was coming in hot on them day ass, so you know. I want to hear it, bro. I need to get like a third-person view of me just fucking see ya fly by, bruh. I know I got one on one of those short clips, so I'll throw it up. But I want to be going like that speed, you know what I'm saying? Fucking 158, 160, cuz. I see you checking the bike out, cuz. He's like, ooh, breaking the neck. It'd be so awkward at lights, bro. I'm just like, what do you look at, bro? Just look like you're looking around left to right and shit, you know. But you're really not looking at it. Ooh, bro, Baskin Robbins. I'm finna go, bro. I want some ice cream. I gotta cut the sugar out my diet, though, for sure. You know. Health is wealth, baby. Get the green in your body, get the green in your pockets. God, it's too hot. Get me out this shit, bruh. Come on. Be damn sweating and shit up in here, bro. Yeah, just good vibes today, baby. Just cruising around a little bit. We find some... Oh. My bad, bro. Oh my gosh, let me hit a red light anyways. Right, you know what, bro? I'm not doing this shit. We're going here. I'm not waiting at no red light, bruh. Get me out that shit. Good looks, boy. Good looks, my boy. Woo! Give me that. Give me that. Sure, no cops on my tail, you heard that? Hey, if you ain't following the gram, follow the gram, bruh. I should probably start posting more, and I don't post that much, but... Third gear wheelie. Nope. It'd never come up in third, bro. Like, what the... S1, if I had a leader bike, I thought I'd show up in third, no problem. There's okay roads up here, but... yeah, guys, I really am trying to learn. Like, I want to get a suit. I really want to try. I do want to go to a track, but Paris Mountain or something up in those twisties. Those are really good roads to learn on. But yeah, it's gonna bug in my eye, bro. Whoa, don't fall, buddy. Oop, wrong lane. What the fuck is that, man? Bro, I can't believe it today. Yeah, if you guys like the video, leave a thumbs up, please. Helps the algorithm out a lot. Leave a comment too. Thanks for the support. Keep commenting. I'll try to. I usually respond to everyone, so yeah, that's pretty dope, huh? And yeah, road to 10K. Let's keep crushing it, baby. And hang on, I'll get a rip for you. Over and out. Ride safe.